Hey guys, John here at Team-One Automotive. I am here with Mr. Cody, area manager for XPEL. And behind us, we've got this beautiful Mercedes GLS with XPEL Stealth. Tell us a little bit about XPEL. What is it? What is your product here?
Yeah, so XPEL, we do a series of, course, very high-end automotive enhancements. Primarily, the ultimate paint protection film that you see here on this car, of course, this is the Stealth. It's still able to get through to what the original color is, but gives it that really beautiful satin matte finish. We have 4 different kinds of Ultimate Plus paint protection film. You'll normally see the gloss finish it, as you do on a lot of the other cars in here. But yeah, this one looks just absolutely gorgeous.
It's beautiful. And what kind of protections does XPEL offer against the elements and things like that?
Yeah, paint protection film, it's going to go ahead and protect from all of your normal road debris, rock chips, salts, or anything that may cause any kind of deterioration to the paint. It's a self-healing technology, so whenever you may have any kind of impact on some of primarily the high impact areas, you're going to be able to actually over time see that paint protection film. It'll heal itself up, so it's pretty impressive.
Absolutely, it's a beautiful product. We actually have that on our van, our shuttle van at Team-One. If you've ever been picked up by the shuttle, that is regular Chrysler paint with XPEL Stealth over it. It just transforms the car. It looks great. So Cody, thank you for explaining.
John, thanks for touch, man. Great to meet you today. Thanks for being out here.
Absolutely.